So comments are always for better documentation in programming environment, and the comments are completely ignored by either the interpreter or the compiler in any programming environment. So comments makes our code more understandable, makes it more readable, and help us to remember and why we are using certain blocks of code. So comments can also be used to ignore some code while testing the other blocks of code. While doing some projects, you want to just ignore something and continue with the remaining. Instead of deleting, you can put it within comments. Whatever you put within comments doesn't come under either compilation or interpretation. So this offers a simple way to prevent the execution of some lines. Single line comments. Look at the example clearly. We need to use hash symbol. So we used different symbols in C++ and C and Java, not this symbol. The hash. Look at that print hello world, and before that there is a comment printing a string. It's a single line comment. Each and every line must be preceded with the hash symbol, and the comment is ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments can be placed anywhere. So look at this now. So everything comes after that hash symbol is completely ignored. So no matter where you use it. Multi-line comments. So there are other ways to get multi-lines. Look at this. Each line is treated as a single comment. So basically we don't have a special way to write multi-line comments. So multiple single line comments are treated as multi-line comments only. We don't have a unique way to write multi-line comments, but Python interpreter ignores the string literals that are not assigned to a variable. This is very important here. So we can even write a single line comments as look at that clearly. This is an unassigned string as a comment. Whatever the string placed within single quotations, the second line is also treated as a comment because this is not assigned to any variable or function. So the interpreter ignores the string. In the similar way, we can use multi-line strings, triple quotations, to write multi-line comments. The quotation character can be either a single quotation or double quotation. Look at this example. We used triple quotations. The multi-line string is not assigned to any variable, so it is ignored by the interpreter. Technically this is not treated as a comment, but you can use as a comment here. So we have doc strings. There exists a lot of confusion in people's mind. Is doc string a comment? So there are the special kind of strings used by the Python compiler to create a documentation for modules, classes, methods and functions. A doc string is the first statement after the declaration of a module or class or method or any function. So we have two formats. One is single line and multi-line. Look at that, single line and multi-line. So how to write better comments? Try to make comments as short as possible and concise as possible. Don't try to put unnecessary things.